Mina stared at her notebook as if it were a quiet lake. On the page, she had written only one sentence: "I am learning English." It was simple. It was short. It was not perfect. She wanted to add more, to make it sound elegant and impressive, but her teacher's words came gently to mind. A small step is still a step. So Mina read the sentence aloud. Her voice was soft at first, then steadier. She heard the rhythm of the words, the way they stood beside each other like two friends on a bridge. I am learning English. A thought rose in her mind. This is too little. Then she remembered a CBT skill her teacher had shared. When a thought feels harsh, pause and check it. Is it true that little progress has no value? She looked at the page again and noticed something different. A week ago, she had not been able to write this sentence at all. Today, she had written it by herself. Her shoulders relaxed. At the kitchen window, afternoon light touched the cups and made the steam from her tea glow like pale gold. Mina smiled. She tried another sentence. I can try again tomorrow. This one felt like a small lantern. When her phone buzzed, her friend Sam had sent a message. How's English going? Mina typed back slowly, carefully, and proudly. I am learning English. Then, after a breath, she added, I am happy with my progress. Sam replied with a row of clapping hands and a heart. Mina leaned back in her chair and let the warmth settle in her chest. She had not climbed a mountain today. She had not spoken like a native speaker, but she had done something real. She had noticed her effort, challenged a discouraging thought, and treated herself kindly. That night, before bed, she wrote one more line in her notebook. Progress can be small and still be beautiful. And for the first time in a long while, she believed it.